What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Got my car at my job. Just gonna lift her up. I'm looking for the seal. This seal is in my toolbox, like right here. But the shit was like in between the drawers, like back there and shit. Behind the drawers. And here it is. Definitely it. Let's get this girl up in the air. To get her up in the air. Yeah, buddy. I'll just fast forward. I'll just fast forward if you guys don't want to see this. Next clip will be in the air. Alright, so this seal I have should be going between, let me grab my flashlight. Should be going between right there, that seal right there. As you can see, there's fucking oil everywhere, dog. Shit is drenched in diff oil. Hopefully this cleans it up. Super dirty. Yeah, I just gotta take these bolts off. I think I could just slip that out. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I gotta change this one too. I definitely changed that, but we're just gonna do this one today for now. Get it done. Okay, got my Milwaukee. Let's see if this shit will take it out. Oh, need an extension. Shit. Got my little extension. See how strong this is. Oh, this thing wasn't even charging. It's like 2 bars. Yeah. See what it do though. Let's see what it do. I don't know. That shit is that shit is not coming out. Fuck no. Gonna have to break them loose. I think that's a good angle. Yeah. It's fine. Sounds like I'm snap those things, right? Yeah. This one. Up and down. Just 3 main ones. Technical difficulties. I can't get the top bolt. Alright, so I just have one more bolt. One more bolt and the drive shaft should come out. how it's looking. So this is like the bolt that's holding this flange, and that seal back there is the one that's leaking, that's shooting all that freaking oil and grease everywhere. Shit's looking nasty, dog. Shout out to my car, this shit's clean and moving, yo. Look at that. It's clean, baby. Yoke. I don't want to change the other too. Started making mad noise. So yeah, I think this is probably like, I don't know. Let me ask this dude. But one thing at a time, baby. One thing at a time. So I read that the rotation matters, how many rotations you tighten or loosen. So I just marked it just for safety, you know, just for insurance. So once I loosen and stuff, I'll know how many turns, so I can do the exact same and put that seal back on back there. But I just got to set up the tripod somewhere so I can get this thing off, man. I can't wait, because this shit's shooting shit everywhere day by day. Look at that day. This shit just looks gross. Definitely gonna clean this shit later. That thing is moving. That should be more that way, but whatever. It's supposed to be like that. But see, I'll fix it. So so far, I got 25 trades. That's 6 trades. Turns, that's all it took, baby. 18 turns. Had it right here. Had to pause the video, change that shit to 18 right now. $18 turns it took to get this bolt off. So now I still gotta drain the diff. That shit's ready to come out. Let me shit, my camera. Cool. So now I'm just gonna take out these bolts here and let it drain. I'll pick up the camera once I get to like the last bolt or something. Alright. Got all the bolts out. Let's see how this shit looks, buddy. Shit. Sorry guys, I'm doing this in one hand. Maybe I should just weld this diff, eh? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Dun dun dun. Whoa, look at that. Differential. Sweet. Pretty crazy. Definitely looks like it needs to be changed. This shit is like red. Shit stinks, dude. It's out. Damn. This is the actual seal. That one, it wasn't this one. It's actually that one. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but and that nut was kind of loose. Like that nut that I had here was super loose. I usually just turn it in my hand, so I don't know if maybe that was the reason, but still gonna change it. Take this one out and throw it back in. Okay, so Took the oil pan out. I mean, yeah, differential pan. Got this wipe. I'm just wiping the edges down and stuff, but as clean as it's getting. Got that covered. I still have to take that seal out. Not sure how I'm gonna take it out, but yeah, just doing a little update. I gotta take that thing out, but so we got the old seal right there. Now I'm just cleaning this flange area. I don't know what they really call it. Yeah, flange, I think. Oh shit, oh my god. It's just a flange. Blow it out with some air. And yeah, it's getting a little clean. Sorry guys, recording and doing this one hand sucks. Shout out to Ed though. Ed's over there talking. See him? Shout out to Ed. Got the flange out for me. Yeah, I'm not doing a good job holding it, am I? Blow all this shit out. Alright, update. I got the flange in. It's nice and sealed all the way around. Thanks to this little hammer, this thing, this little chisel. Just had it. Something like that. It actually fit perfect all around. So you see. Now it's in. Now I just have to add some differential fluid. Have the cover over there, nice and clean. Throw this in, and that'll be the end of the video. So it's almost time. Okay, here's another update. I just spent it back 18 times. You can see the little yellow mark that I did. So that's back on. Now I just have to throw this dry shaft on. That'll be the next thing. Let me set you guys up somewhere. Alright, so I unlocked that hole. I loosened it. Got some friction modifier in here and some axle grease. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this shit, but oh nope, that's not working. I just failed miserably. If I come in an angle, oh no, that's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Alright, so I filled the hole, tightened it. It's a little loose, but yeah, did it. That's the end of the video. Changed my differential fluid and stuff. My bad, I was talking to my coworker, but yeah, that's the end of the video. Changed the diff fluid. Hopefully nothing leaks out. Everything seems good because nothing has leaked. Added friction modifier. So yep, that's all. That's it. See you guys in the next video. Just gotta clean up, that's all. And yeah, peace. Good to me, baby. Alright, now I'm ending the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, peace.